LinkSquares is an AI-powered contracting platform that gives legal teams all the tools they need to move business forward faster. Our customers have everything they need to write better contracts faster, analyze what's in existing contracts with powerful AI insights, and collaborate better with their team throughout the contract lifecycle. And all of this is centralized in one easy-to-use platform that will quickly help your team reduce manual, time-consuming processes. It starts with Finalize, which helps your team draft, review, and approve documents faster, even those on third-party paper. Create new contracts through self-serve templating, see where contracts are stuck, and collaborate with key stakeholders using in-app chat and notifications. Finalize supplements your current process in Word and offers features that will improve deal velocity. With Finalize, you will have full visibility into your in-flight contracts with automated email notifications and workflow management. You'll also be able to see every turn of a document through a centralized repository and version management. You can also empower your entire team to create better contracts faster through self-service templating of contracts with your pre-approved language. Analyze is a contract analytics tool that helps companies understand what's in their existing contracts through powerful AI insights and full-text search, making it easy to see what was previously hidden or difficult to find. Analyze automatically extracts important key terms and information like party, effective date, and term, which we call smart values. You can also collaborate better with your team through powerful reporting and analytics. Scanned PDFs will be put through our proprietary OCR process, so you can report across clean, searchable text from all your documents. With LinkSquares, you can also receive automated notifications for important upcoming dates such as renewal, termination, and opt-out dates. This way, you can proactively manage key dates that affect your business. LinkSquares makes every aspect of contract management faster and equips your team with powerful insights on your agreements in one centralized repository. If you'd like to learn more about how LinkSquares can help with all your contract management needs, please schedule a demo with us today.